muli, nandito tayo sa loob ng UNC Sports Palace para sa PCCL 2023 South Luzon Championship. And kanina nga sa ating live stream ay inintroduce ang ating 6 competitors na maglalaban-laban dito sa ating PCCL 2023. Ako nga ang inyong magiging commentator, si David Joshua Bernales, and ang aking partner.
Ako po si Kristen A. Reyes at ngayon maglalaban ang San Pablo Colleges at Guang Ming College. And I know this would be a very exciting as we are going to start our game.
And ayun na nga partner, no, kanina nakikita natin dito sa ating hard court na nagwa-warm up yung ating Guang Ming College and yung San Pablo Colleges. These competitors today sa ating first game is not from Bicol but are in other regions dito sa Pilipinas, trying to compete para makapasok sa Final Four or makalaro ang ating mga NCR champions naman doon sa kanilang area.
Yeah, and we are also live sa ating GNN Sports TV at GNN Facebook page. As now we are hearing Mayor Nelson Legacion giving his message for the PCCL 2023.
Ngayon sa aming munting lungsod ng Naga, and of course, Pres Mario Villanueva of the Naga College Foundation, and all administrators, coaches, representatives, and athletes of various universities na kasama po ngayon sa PCCL ang pagpapaabot po ng inyong lingkod ng mainit na pagtanggap sa inyong lahat. Welcome po sa aming lungsod, ang maugmang lugar. Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat at good luck to all our players.
Thank you so much, Mayor Nelson. And now introducing the both teams from Guang Ming College, starting with jersey number 35, Akinyide Opeyeme Victor. Jersey number 55, Ehebem Stephen Chibuzor. Jersey number 34, Stephen Balisi. Jersey number 99, Jaiser Jones Casalan. Jersey number 9, Kurt Abraham Lactautau. Jersey number 19, Julian Carl Joaquim Lozada. Jersey number 14, Joshua Hamias. Jersey number 6, Gerald Buenaobra. Jersey number 21, Carl Jake Dumalagaan. Jersey number 25, Ronald Jr. Soriano. Jersey number 26, Edshel Janyo. Jersey number 12, Jerover Dome Cabilla. Jersey number 1, Jo Marie Pecolera. And jersey number 4, Teodomero Pujeda with their head coach, Coach Moraya Gingerich. And now, from San Pablo Colleges, starting with jersey number 19, Kapunpon Paul Henrich. Jersey number 7, Calibo Lemuel Kier. Jersey number 4, Garcia Paul Austin. Jersey number 18, Guan Akinson Jairo. Jersey number 16, Lanete Jerome Gabriel. Jersey number 22, Makaraya Miko Saidamen. Jersey number 2, Madlang Bayan Jens Matthew. Jersey number 24, Maligaya Kim Julius. Jersey number 11, Manalansan Merald. Jersey number 20, Palconete Emmanuel. Jersey number 5, Pontanoza Micael. Jersey number 23, Ras Vincent Christopher. Jersey number 12, Quinto Reynaldo. And jersey number 77, Tan Justin Miguel with their head coach, Coach Francis Natividad. Let us once again have our ceremonial toast. We would like to request the first 5 of both teams to be at the center circle for the ceremonial toss.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
And ayun na nga partner, no, pinakilala na ni Kim yung both teams na maglalaban dito sa ating first game. Open header ng ating PCCL South Luzon Championship. A matchup between Guang Ming College and San Pablo Colleges. And makikita natin sa ating center court si Mayor Ligacion, si Coach Joe Lipa, and syempre si Commissioner Pres Mario Villanueva as
Yan
we
na.
start this ball game.
Here we go. We're going to start the first game of the South Luzon Championship. The Guang Ming College and the San Pablo Colleges. And we are still live here at UNC Sports Palace at sa ating GNN Sports TV at GNN Facebook page.
And ayan, final reminders from both head coaches dito sa kanilang respective teams. Final plays, i-remind sa kanilang mga players as we start this matchup ng South Luzon Championship ng PCCL 2023. And ayan partner, makikita natin na medyo may slight height difference dito. May advantage ang ating Guang Ming College with their big man dito, si Ihibem Stephen. So ayan, Kaponpon will jump for San Pablo here and Ihibem for Guang Ming Colleges. Let the games begin. Get ready sa ating mga viewers. Early whistle by the referee dito, signaling the ball possession para sa Guang Ming College.
Ang bola ngayon, nasa Guang Ming College.
Lozada will inbound the ball. Passes to his teammate. Whistle by the referee. Ball goes out of bounds.
Bola pa rin to ng Guang Ming College.
Hamias with the ball here. Penetrates. Floater. That's good. Putting Guang Ming College in the scoreboard dito sa ating PCCL.
Ayan, bola. Papasok sa loob. Susubukan makapuntos. Ihibem was below to get the ball.
Guang Ming now on the offense. Number 12 stripped away by San Pablo Colleges. Number 20 passes to his teammate from the corner. Number 22 to the hands of number 5. 14 seconds to shoot here. Mingi ng screen dito si number 5. Goes inside. Extra pass to the inside man. Number 19 in and out ang kanyang layup. Rebound here by number 55. Guang Ming on the offense. Lozada, extra pass to number 12. That's a block. Whistle by the referee. That's a foul called on number 22. It's a foul called on Macaraya. Lozada will inbound the ball Tipped away by Pablo. And makikita natin, partner, no, though the height differentials of these two teams, maganda pa rin ang defense ng pinapakita dito ng San Pablo Colleges.
Totoo yan. Lozada to inbound.
That's a steal.
Nakuha dito na 22. And that was good.
San
We are
Pablo
tied at
now
2.
on the scoreboard. We are now tied at 2. Guang Ming ngayon ang nasa opensa. Inside pass to Ihibem. Easy two-pointer. With that height advantage
Yes.
by Guang Ming. Gaya ng sabi ko kanina, partner,
Yan.
medyo
Kapon-pon.
mapapadali.
But there was a foul. Mapupunta ang bola sa Guang Ming College.
That was stepping out of bounds
Yes.
ng ating San Pablo Colleges. Guang Ming ngayon nasa opensa. Full court defense pinapakita dito ng San Pablo. Lozada passes to his teammate to the corner. Goes inside. Floater. No good. There's a foul called there on jersey number 20. It's going to be a foul called on Falconete.
7 minutes remaining.
First shot dito ni Tau is no good. Second shot here. That's good. 1 for 2 dito ang Guang Ming from the free throw line. Pero ayan, San Pablo on the offense. Layup, that's good for number 20. Falconete.
Kahit andun si Ihebem, naipasok. Now,
Poheda with the ball. Inside pass to Ihibem. Layup, no good para sa kanya. Kaponpon with that rebound. Makaraya ngayon with the ball para sa San Pablo. Spins. Extra inside pass. Pero that's a steal by Tau. Layup. That's good. Para kay Lozada. Pero San Pablo on the other side. Layup. That's good.
humahabol dito ang San Pablo sa Guang Ming. 7 minutes remaining.
1 point lead para sa
Lozada.
Guang Ming.
That was good. A layup from him.
Fast break dito, San Pablo. Kaponpon, naghahanap ng mapapasahan. Gets that ball stolen. Lozada now for Guang Ming. Inside pass. Stops, pops. No good para kay number 12. Offensive rebound, no good sa kanyang attempt. Pero may foul dito. 2 shots ngayon.
9-6 na sa ating talaan dito. 6 minutes remaining sa ating first quarter. Ayun. Nasa free throw line sila Tau for a bonus point. First shot was no good.
Substitutions dito, both teams. Hanyo and Tan will go in. Second shot here by Tau.
Tau to try again to get a bonus point. At para makarinig tayo ng update mula sa Guang Ming College, pakinggan natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Cassandra. Cass, anong balita dyan?
Thursday, basketball enthusiasts bringing you the latest news and updates from the courtside. This is Cassandra Saton, your courtside reporter in this year's Philippine Collegiate Champions League South Luzon Championship match. According to Coach Mariah, head coach of Guang Ming College, they are still working on building its team chemistry and they see this league as a great opportunity for the players to improve individually and as a team. Coach Mariah also mentions that the basketball program of their school was just established about 2 years ago. Therefore, they are still working on building their team by joining various basketball leagues such as UCBL, PRISAA, PCCL, and NYBL. That's the latest update from the courtside. Back to you, Joshua.
Yan, maraming salamat Kaz for that update on the side of Guang Ming. And kakasabi lang nga ni Coach no, na napaka-fresh pa rin.
Totoo.
Napaka-fresh pa lang ng ating Guang Ming colleges when it comes to the basketball team. 2 years pa lang na-establish ang kanilang basketball team dito, kaya team chemistry ang kanilang hinahanap dito sa ating PCCL. Pero going back dito sa ball game, Hanyo heavily guarded here. Goes inside, extra pass to Lactaw-Tao with that 2-pointer, heavily guarded. Pero disregards that for that 2-pointer. San Pablo, layup, that's good. Nabawi kaagad ng San Pablo Colleges. That's a steal. Fast break dito, layup, that's good. Back-to-back points for San Pablo Colleges. And magtatawag ng timeout dito ang Guang Ming College. 5 minutes, 3 seconds. Mga kaibigan, huwag kayong bibitiw. Magbabalik ang South Luzon PCCL.
We are back again here at UNC Sports Palace. 10:14 nga sa ating talaan, 5 minutes and 3 seconds remaining. Ang first quarter momentum ay nasa Guang Ming. Kailangang humabol ang San Pablo Colleges dito. Now, back to the ball game tayo.
Small ball lineup dito para sa San Pablo Colleges. And naalata ko partner kanina as yung bago mag-time out is may advantage din naman ang San Pablo Colleges
Yes.
dito. Is yung kanilang liksi at bilis. Kaya nag-small ball lineup dito si coach ng San Pablo.
Oo, hindi alintana dito yung height difference ni Ihebem. Now,
Pero yan.
given to Ihebem. To layup, no good. At para makarinig tayo ng updates sa side ng San Pablo College, pakinggan natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Kayla. Kayla, anong balita dyan?
Good afternoon, Burns and Tina, at sa lahat ng nakatutok na sa atin live at GNN Sports TV. We are now in the South Luzon Championship and this is the matchup between the San Pablo College and Guang Ming College. At handang-handa na nga ang Ravens sa laban na ito. According to Coach Francis, before mag-start ang game, they familiarize the place and they have shooting and briefing this morning. He also says that we can expect na kahit na mas malalaki malaki ang kalaban. They are ready to give their all for this game. And as the head coach, he reminds his players to always push themselves and give their all in every game. This is Kyla Casulia reporting on the side of San Pablo Ravens. Balik sa inyo, Burns and Team.
Thank you so much, Kyla. Ayan nga, bagong panalo lang din dito ang San Pablo Colleges sa UCCL. Fresh from the win, kaya ngayon babawi sila. Magpapakitang gilas sa PCCL. Now, Guang Ming ang bola. Heavily guarded. Now,
Inside layup here by 14. No good. San Pablo with the rebound.
binigay kay Kalibo. A 3-point from Maligaya. 16-15. Isa lamang kalamangan dito ng Guang Ming. Now, Ihibem. There was a traveling violation. Yes. Babalik ang bola sa San Pablo.
Substitution
And the
dito.
inbound.
San Pablo now on the offense. Kalibo with the ball. Gahanap ng mapapasahan. Stops and pops there on the mid-range. No good. Now Guang Ming on the offense. Inside pass to Aquinede. Floater no good. Rebound San Pablo. Sila naman ang nasa offense dito.
Tan with the ball. A steal from the Guang Ming.
It's gonna be out of bounds. Bola dito ng San Pablo.
Two minutes remaining on our first quarter. Very close first quarter here. 16-15. Now, Kalibo to inbound. Ibigay ang bola kay Tan. Papasok sa loob. Try to get a point. No good. Ihibam with the rebound.
Layup there by Guang Ming. That's good. Sa kanilang fast break dito.
Yes, Maligaya with the ball for the San Pablo. Tan again. Kalibo. Given to Tan. Maligaya to try inside. And just Ihibem. Again, so good for the San Pablo Colleges.
Napakagandang fake move there by Maligaya. Na may sumabay pa doon si Aquinede. Pero yan, out of bounds. Bola pa rin ng San Pablo dito. Substitution. Kaasalan will go in.
Isa ang kalamangan dito ng Guang Ming. 18-17. Now, Kalibo to inbound. Bibigay kay Maligaya.
Maligaya.
Taking his time. Try on to enter. Jump shot. Feed away by Maligaya. And it was good. Sa kalamangan dito ng San Pablo. 1 minute and 54 seconds remaining on our first quarter. There's a discussion between the referees here and the officials. Let's see kung kaninong bola muli magsistay.
And may technical foul na nakuha dito yung Guang Ming. Anim pala kanina yung players nila sa loob ng hard court.
Yes. Now Maligaya to get a bonus point for the San Pablo.
Shot ni Maligaya is good there. Ball possession dito ng Guang Ming with 21 seconds on the shot clock. Dumalagan to inbound the ball. Gets to his teammate. Mingi ng screen. Fires a 3. No good, pero may offensive rebound dito. Kaasalan, no good. Offensive rebound, tries again, wala pa rin. Another one. Pero that's still stolen by Tan. Fast break naman ngayon ng San Pablo. Napitawan. That's a steal by Guang Ming. Sila naman ang fast break dito.
Now, Habayas. Given to Dumlagaan. But it slipped through his hands. Pero mananatili pa rin ang bola sa Guang Ming. And there was 2 bonus point here. Dumlagaan will be on the free throw line for 2 shots. Hindi pumasok ang kanyang unang free throw dito. He will try one more. This time it was good. Guang Ming. San Pablo to try to score. On the corner. Maligaya was guarded here. 14 to shoot. Tan. Jump shot. No good. Offensive rebound. And this time, pumasok na ang bola.
Guang Ming naman ngayon ang nasa opensa. That's a steal by Maligaya. Extra pass to his teammate. Layup. That's good. Back-to-back points ngayon para sa San Pablo. Sila ang may kalamangan ngayon. Less than a minute remaining sa ating first quarter. Guang Ming nasa opensa. Hamias with the ball. Goes inside, penetrates, extra pass. That's a steal by San Pablo. Medyo malakas yung pasa. That's gonna be a turnover. Balik sa Guang Ming. Ang bola.
27 seconds remaining here.
Dumalagan will inbound the ball para sa Guang Ming dito. Full court defense pa rin ang pinapakita ng San Pablo Colleges.
Bibigay dito. Iheben with the ball. Try to score. No good. Now, Tan given to his teammates. Slipped with his fingers. Jump shot. No good again. Offensive rebound. 5 seconds remaining here on the shot clock.
Maligaya 3. No good. And that's gonna be the end of our first quarter. 24-19. Lamang dito ang San Pablo Colleges. Mga kaibigan, magbabalik po kami.
We are back again here at UNC Sports Palace. Pero bago tayo magpatuloy sa ating second quarter, pasalamatan lang din natin ang ating mga sponsors sa Naga College Foundation Incorporated, Converge ICT Solution, Mariners Polytechnic and Colleges Incorporated, 3N Bakery, Lamon Residences located at Pagsaysay Avenue, Naga City, Gold Clofa Construction, Replica Printing Services, Mayan Avenue, Bites Swag Catering Services, Pacific Cross Philippines and Bihag Burger, Saling Manok House of Lechon and Winter Kitchen, Naga and Travel and Tours, NCF Driving School AT Ads, NCF Wings, because Tigers can have wings, Tigers Cafe, NCF Training Pool, at Wow, Worlds of Water. Maraming salamat po! Now, a 3 by Maligaya to open our second quarter.
10-point lead na ang hawak ngayon ng San Pablo Colleges. Pero that's a steal. Pero out of bounds dito. Bola ng Guang Ming. Substitution, Laktaw-Taw will go in para dito sa Guang Ming.
Now,
That's
there
a
was
steal.
a steal. Pero mapupunta ang bola sa
Stepping
Guang
out of
Ming
bounds.
College.
Guang Ming ngayon on the offense. Full court defense pa rin dito para sa San Pablo. Almost a successful steal there. Kaasalan with that traveling violation. That's a turnover para sa side ng Guang Ming. Substitution dito. Ulit.
Now, at para makarinig tayo ng update mula sa San Pablo Colleges, pakinggan natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Kyla. Kyla, anong balita dyan?
Burns and Tino, we are now in the second quarter of this matchup between the Guang Ming and the Ravens. At ramdam na nga ang tensyon dito sa loob ng UNC Sports Palace dahil kanina lang ay lamang ang Guang Ming pero kaagad naman itong binawi ng Ravens. At patuloy nga ang reminders ni Coach Francis na pagtibayin lang ang opensa, lalong-lalo na ang kanilang depensa. Kahit pa malalaki ang kalaban, talaga namang hindi sila nagpapatinag at patuloy nga ang magandang depensa na pinapakita nila against sa Guang Ming. Magtuloy-tuloy kaya ang kalamangan ng Ravens? Yan ang ating abangan. For now, balik muna sa inyo, Tin and Burns.
Thank you so much, Kyla. Ayan nga, sa first quarter, nakuha dito ng San Pablo College ang kalamangan. It's 19-29, but still they need to be consistent inside the court dahil alam naman natin with the height difference of the Guang Ming, madali lang nilang makuha ang puntos nila dito. Now, Maligaya to inbound.
It's gonna be a foul call dito by the referee. Foul call on jersey number 1. Pecolera. San Pablo ngayon ang nasa opensa. 15 seconds on the shot clock. 15 seconds to make a play dito. Maligaya with the ball. Maligaya fires a 3. No good. That's a miss. Bola ngayon ng Guang Ming as it goes out of bounds. Substitution para sa San Pablo dito. Guang Ming gets that ball inside the court for that inbound. And bago ang lahat, tawagin muna natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Kaz to give us an update on the side of Guang Ming College. Kaz, please take it away.
Hi, Joshua and team. During the huddle, Coach Mariah gave some few reminders for the players, such as not to waste time trying to argue with the referee because the referee might have a bad call and they cannot control that. They have to continue playing and move forward on their next play. He also emphasized that the players must know who they are guarding. Don't allow them to have easy layups and they have to be smarter and play harder. That's the latest news from the court side. Back to you, Joshua and team.
Ayan, maraming salamat Kaz for that update. Play smarter and play harder. Sabi nga dito ni coach ng Guang Ming. And kailangan talaga mag-focus dito ngayon ng Guang Ming kung gusto nilang humabol dito sa ating matchup na ito. 7 minutes, 28 seconds remaining sa ating first half. 10 pa rin ang kalamangan dito ng San Pablo Colleges. Pero second shot dito will put the deficit to only single digits. Pccl with his second shot. No good. Pero may offensive rebound dito si Pccl. Another chance here. Nababaan ang kalamangan ng San Pablo. Inside pass. Ihibem. No good. Tao gets that foul. 2 shots sa kanya dito. That's gonna be a foul called on number 2.
Ngayon, si Tao ang nasa free throw line to get 2 bonus point here. First one was good. He will try again for the second time. 7 minutes remaining. It's good this time again. Now, given to Tan.
San Pablo Colleges on the offense dito. Number 5 goes
Montanoza,
inside.
though good for that layup.
Fast break dito ngayon. Guang Ming, Pccl. Layup, that's good. Napakabilis naman ng fast break na yon.
Ngayon, they will try to get inside, but there was a foul. Was given to jersey number 18 here. 15 seconds to shoot here.
Inside pass,
Montanoza.
layup. That's good. Timeout dito ulit ang Guang Ming College. 6 minutes, 39 seconds. 24-31 ang ating score. Lamang pa rin ng San Pablo, mga kaibigan. Magbabalik po ang Pccl South Luzon.
We are back again here at UNC Sports Palace. Lamang pa rin dito ang San Pablo College. And now, Guang Ming has the ball. Bibigay dito kay Ihibem. There was a steal. Tatakbo dito si 11. Manalansan. But that was a steal for Guang Ming. Now, on the run. To shoot. Kasalan. No good. Now, give it to Falconente. Papasok sa loob. But there was a foul on that last sequence. 6 minutes remaining. Mananatili ang bola dito sa San Pablo. Madlang Bayan to inbound. Papasok sa loob, a layup, but no good. Offensive rebound. Munti ka na, but still. Naibigay pa rin dito. Now, Pujeda with the ball. Given to Akasalan. A three. No good here, pero andyan ang kanyang teammate to get a point. It's Laktaw-Taw. Now, Falconente with the ball. Try to get inside. A layup with a foul. Chance you have a three-point opportunity here for the San Pablo. Ngayon, si Manalansan ang nasa free throw line to have a three-point opportunity play for San Pablo. 5 minutes remaining for our second quarter. Seven-point gap of the San Pablo here now. Manalansan. No good. Rebound with the Guang Ming. Tatawid dito ang bola. Now to Pecolera. Recorded one. But there was a steal for Tan here. Dire-diretso dito. Try a layup and it was good. May kasama pang foul. And again, a three-point opportunity again for the San Pablo College. Tan is on the line. And it was good. 36-26, a 10-point lead here for San Pablo. Bola mananatili sa Guang Ming. 18 seconds to shoot. There's a substitution here. Kabila will enter now the Guang Ming stage. Pujeda. Give it the ball to the corner. A three-point. And that was good. On the inside. Out of the corner of the board. Now Pujeda. Papasok sa loob. But there was a foul. At pupunta ang bola sa San Pablo College. Kalibo to inbound. Given to Tan. Si Kalibo dito ang tatawid ng bola. Now, given to Tan. Chance to counter here. Again. Kalibo. Papasok sa loob. Heavily guarded. Tan. 5 seconds. And that layup was good for the San Pablo. 38-28, a 10-point gap here. Now, given to Luzada. Nasa baba na dyan. Try to shoot. No good here. A rebound by the San Pablo. Tan. Papasok sa loob. Muntikan na dito. Hindi pa rin napasok ang bola. Now. But the ball will stay at the Guang Ming for the out of bounds here of San Pablo. Now the Guang Ming has 18 seconds to shoot here. 3 minutes remaining on our second quarter. Dumlagaan to inbound. Given to Luzada. Laktaw-taw to try. But there was steal here. Now. 22 on the inside. But there was a foul at 2 shots para San Pablo dito. Macaraya is on the free throw line to get 2 points here. First shot was good. For the second time for Macaraya. No good. Rebound for the Guang Ming. Tatakbo sa kabila. Lozada to get the ball. Passed again to Hamyas. Laktaw-taw. And on the corner. And that was score for 3 for Kabila. Only an 8-point lead here for our second quarter. 3 minutes remaining. 14 seconds to shoot for the Guang Ming. Try to get a play. But there was a steal. Palconte. Mananatili ang bola sa San Pablo. San Pablo need to be consistent on this quarter. Now that the Guang Ming is just 8.4. Maligaya with the ball on the corner. Papalipas muna ng oras. A 3-point. No good here. Rebound for the Guang Ming. Now they will try to score on the corner. Layup. No good. Offensive rebound. Again. On the corner for 3. It's Dumalaga. Now we have a timeout called by the San Pablo College. 2 minutes remaining. 34-39. Dito lang yan sa PCCL 2023. Back again here at UNC Sports Palace. Nasa San Pablo pa rin ang kalamangan dito sa ating second quarter. 2 minutes remaining. 5 na lamang dito ang hinahabol ng Guang Ming. Now, To inbound the ball. Itatawid dito. Makaraya. Step back. 14 seconds to shoot here. Give it to Maligaya. Makaraya again. On the corner. 5 seconds. No good for Maligaya. Now Guang Ming. Hamiyas. No good. And at this time, the ball will go on to San Pablo. 2 minutes remaining. Now, Maligaya with the ball. Itatawid niya dito. 2 minutes remaining. Makaraya. They will try to shoot. Papasok sa loob, and that was good for Pccl. Ngayon naman, tatawid dito ng Guang Ming. Dahil sa paa, napunta sa San Pablo ang bola. Coach of the Guang Ming. They needed to have a play. Offense and defense here. Makaraya. Try to get inside. Given. That was good here for Kapunpon. 34-43. Kapunpon is now on the line. First shot was good. Now, it's 26 to inbound. Papalatito ang bola. Now, they will try to score here. Hamyas to try on the inside. On the corner now, it's one. No good. Rebound for San Pablo. Makaraya with the ball. 1 minute remaining. A steal from the Guang Ming. Papasok sa loob. A fast break. But no good. Mapupunta ang bola sa San Pablo. There was an offensive foul for the side of Guang Ming. It's Hanyo with that offensive foul. Now, Falconete to inbound for San Pablo. Kalibo ang magtatawid ng bola dito. Try to being fast. Now, Falconete. Taking his time. 14 seconds to shoot. Papasok sa loob, but there was a steal for the Guang Ming. Dumalagan. To Ihembe. It was too short. Nakakuha muli ng San Pablo ang bola. Now, Kalibo. Going on the side, and it was good for Kapunpon. Now, 18 seconds to shoot. Ihebe with the ball. Bibigay dito kay 14. 5 seconds to shoot. Kailangan gumawa na ng paraan. And that was it. That ends our first half. It's 34-46 lamang dito ang San Pablo. Magbabalik kami para sa ating third quarter only here at GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.